Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bitter leaf soup. Let's go straight into the video. Here I have my pot on the fire. We're using beef for this recipe, so I'll add the beef in the pot. Then the cow skin. This is stockfish. I'll add some onions, seasoning cube, and some salt. Cover to simmer for like 5 minutes. I will give it a stir now. Then add enough water to cook the meat. We're going to cook this beef and the cow skin until it is soft and tender. The beef is cooked now. Then I'll add enough water for the soup. This is dried fish, smoked panla fish, chili flakes. Cover to boil for 2 minutes. Seasoning cube. Here I'm adding crayfish and bonga fish powder. I'll give it a stir. I'll cover to cook for a few minutes. Here I have my thickener and I'm using ofo for thickening. Ofo seed is grinded, ofo powder. So I'll go ahead and mix it with palm oil. Mix it very well into a smooth paste so it can dissolve easily inside the soup. So I will now go ahead now and transfer it into the boiling soup. Like this. As I'm done adding the paste into the soup, I will give it a good stir so that we won't have any lumps at all. If you're adding thickener to your soup, stir very well to make sure you have a smooth consistency. Now I'll be adding ogiri paste. Ogiri is fermented locust bean paste, and that is what gives bitter leaf soup its unique taste and aroma. Some palm oil. Without ogiri, there is no bitter leaf soup. So give it a stir, good stir, and we'll cover to cook for like 3 minutes. And in the pot behind, I have my washed bitter leaves in there. I'll be cooking the bitter leaves to remove the excess bitterness from the leaves before I use it for the soup. So it's becoming thicker, so we'll add more water and cover to cook for 2 minutes. It is time to add the boiled bitter leaves into the soup. And we'll give it a stir. Stir very well and cover to cook. You will cook until the bitter leaves is soft and the soup thicker. Bitter leaf soup is a special delicacy from the eastern part of Nigeria and enjoyed by all. This recipe is a very rich, tasty, and very, very delicious one. This is my grandma's recipe. My grandma made the best bitter leaf soup in her community and we enjoyed it a lot as kids. Give it a stir At intervals, you open and stir. If you love my recipes, do well to subscribe to my channel, share and like, because I have more amazing food recipes coming your way. Stay glued on this channel. Give it a stir. I will stir. It's coming together, it's getting thicker, and the bitter leaf is softer now. It looks softer now. Yes, you can see it. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. I appreciate you a lot. Our bitter leaf soup is ready now. I will go ahead and turn off the heat. I'll be serving this soup with fufu. You can pair with any swallow of your choice. You can see how beautiful it looks, thick and yummy. And it sure tastes delicious too. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.